Hi, I'm Isho. I'm a programmer in this company.
I'm Ming Hui, senior programmer in DewTouch.
Hello, I'm Melissa and I'm a software engineer in DewTouch.
Hi, my name is Nurul Syazana binti Selamat and my role is as the product support officer.
Hi, I'm Kubing from DewTouch. My position is accounts.
Hi, my name is Iqbal. I run DewTouch.
My name is Jane and I'm the personal assistant to the director.
Hi, I'm Lauren and I work as a salesperson in DewTouch.
I like this company, the environment of this company and the culture in this company because we treat each other like family and we help each other if they need.
What I like is that we always talk about the good days in a sense that when things go smoothly, everybody's happy about it. But when during the days when we have technical glitches in our system, our teams will come together and find in a sense really work hard to solve the bug, even though it takes us a lot of time, even though we have to stay overnight. And I think there's the so-called spirit that I really enjoy a lot.
I think in a company it's important also to see the human resources, especially the management, including the boss. I think DewTouch management is quite good. I mean, they treat fair, good, and it's somehow working in this field could be very stressing. But I think the environment that DewTouch try to make is that to be as not too stressful. So I think that's what I like. But yet, we work hard, but yet we play hard. And we also have this working time, sports time, which I think is good. So it's one of simple thing to prove that actually DewTouch care about the human resource or people that work in DewTouch.
Okay, it is challenging in its own way.
Good?
When I first joined DewTouch, I found that the colleagues are very self-motivated, and I also like the flexibilities that we can work in a team or just switch independently.
I think DewTouch is a platform and it's a company that can help us to grow with the company.